you're in the game and looking at a 250 Prado and are serious about Outback touring and staying 100% street legal, then the Superior Engineering Outback Venturer is the build for you. Our kit is available for the GX, GXL, as well as the Altitude model, and is the most comprehensive SSM kit that is on the market for the 250 Prado. This kit also raises your GVM to 4 ton, so you can throw as many touring mods as you want at this thing, all those creature comforts, to head around Australia and be 100% street legal. And with a big GVM, you're going to need suspension to handle it. We give you the option of either our 2.0 or our brand new 2.5 three-way adjustable remote reservoir shocks, as well as our billet alloy upper control arms, as well as our billet diff drop. This front end is built to handle whatever you can throw at it, as well as underbody protection made from 304 stainless steel, making sure all those important components underneath your driveline are completely protected. The rear end as well has load rated coils to suit the new GVM, the same shock options, as well as our billet 7075 T6 aluminium lower control arms and our adjustable panhard rod for the perfect wheel alignment to make sure this vehicle handles the new lift height and these big 35s. So if you're looking for one of our Outback Venturers, jump over to superiorengineering.com.au where you can get one of these badass cars built.